What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be eating some. This is kimchi. So I'm having white rice with some sauce that I made a couple days ago. This rice that you see here is pre-sauced rice. It was like leftover rice. White rice. I went to an Asian grocery store today and they had roasted pork. So I got that. And then I went to the grocery store yesterday, and I got some sausage with rapini and parmesan, and then I have some kimchi. So let's dig in because I am hungry. See, the skin seems really crunchy. Sorry for eating so fast. I feel better now, but I was very hungry. Oh, yeah. Mm. is really good. Kind of just wish it didn't have the Parmesan. It made it too flavorful. But this is really good. If you cut the sausage up and put it in something, lasagna, like a pasta, a pizza. This would be so good on a pizza. Some bread, tomato sauce, cheese. Ooh. Yeah. I'm kind of full. Wow. The water kind of just settles everything in. Like, yeah. Yeah. We love that. I don't know if I'm full or if I should. This is why you get fat. Because when you're full, just stop. Let me just... You know what I mean? Like, let me just... What is that? It's a piece of fat. You know when you're so full, like, you have to... When you're eating skin, it's like, when it's like freshly deep fried, very crunchy, very nice. When then, if like steam gets into it, or if like lays around too long, and then it just gets like chewy. It's getting there. Let me try this one. I know skin is not good for you, but like, damn, skin is so good. This is not like the crunch that you get from when you eat pork belly skin. Like, it's not the taste. It's just bland. And even if it had flavor, it still wouldn't be pork belly dish. Okay, I'm actually done now. I have 2 more of these sausages. I ate one yesterday. And then this one. It's very rich. I think that's because of the Parmesan. It's good, but it's rich. So it's kind of hard to finish at all. But then I can. Clearly. But like, I have to take it in doses. And I kind of just... Even yesterday when I was eating it, I was like, this is so good, but like, it's very rich. And that's because of the Parmesan, the cheese. It's interesting. It's not bad. If I rate it, probably like an 8. Yeah. It's good to me. I don't know. Oh, sorry. I probably shouldn't do that. Like, now my hands are like oily. I didn't see that. And I'm done eating, so it don't even matter. I'm very full now. I'm gonna go take a shower and then go to sleep. I put my lashes on today. I wonder tomorrow. I feel like they're not meant to stay on for more than a day because I can just remove them. It was my birthday on Monday, and today's Friday. There was this guy that I used to talk to like years ago. He always just hits me up every couple of months. He never stops. His number's actually blocked on my phone. Because at one point I was in a relationship and then he kept calling me. So then I just blocked him. But then he started reaching out on WhatsApp. Because his number is blocked on like regular call. So he can't call me, mind you. So the fact that he still messages me. So he used to text me. But ever since I blocked him, he started WhatsApping me. And it was so weird because the day of my birthday, he hit me up. Like, I was like, does he know it's my birthday? I was like, did I ever tell him that it's my birthday? But I don't think so. So we didn't talk long enough for me to tell him that it was my birthday on May 18th. So I didn't answer because he always hits me up. So I just always have to ignore him. And he'll just continue. Like, it's one of those. It's like if I answer, he'll answer. But if I don't answer, he'll continue to hit me up. But he does take me out for food. And he's a bigger guy. So he really likes to eat. So like, I don't know. But the thing is, you know, sometimes when you go out with people and you like have to perform. I feel like I have to perform. Not that I have to perform, but like, I'm just not used to hanging out with anybody. And he's not my type. We don't have no future together. I'm pretty sure he knows that. I know that. We can hang out and it's okay. So yeah, Monday I didn't answer because I was like, well, you didn't even want to see this person, so why would you answer? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then today I had a drink at one point, and then I decided to answer him, and then he responded. He's like, oh, you're responding back after days, and I was like, yeah. And I was like, did you know it was my birthday on Monday? And he's like, oh, no. But happy belated birthday. I'm gonna come take you out tomorrow. So I just responded, okay. And that's the problem. Because I'm not like, ugh. I could just cancel, actually. You know what? Like, why am I stressing about this? I could just cancel. See, I'm about to reach up for more food. It's a disease. I actually added extra spice to this when I got home. Anyways, I'll let y'all know if I ended up going out with him. I might for the free food, but because I don't know where I'm going, I'll just be like, do I want to sell myself for a dinner? For a birthday dinner? No. Not really. Because I'm going to have to entertain him. And then he might be like, oh, I want something. And I'm going to be like, no. And then I'm going to have to, like, pull him off of me. And that's work that I don't want to have to do. Because, oh, fuck off. I just want to chill. Like, if he was somebody that I know, like, would just take me out, we have a good time, we laugh, we chill, that's it, take me home, we're done, cool. But no, I know he's gonna be like, ooh, ooh. But I still might do it. There's like a 30% chance. Oh yeah, I will say this. This guy, the same guy, one time I had gone out with my friends and then we ended up at some club downtown Toronto. And guess what? I happened to see him at that club. And, did I see him? He saw me? I don't know. We saw each other type thing. I didn't go say hi or anything. He didn't come say hi. And then, next thing I know, me and my friends were dancing on the dance floor. And he said, some girls came with some bottle. I was like, bitch, I didn't know there was no bottle. And then the bottle girl was like, oh no, that guy sent you a bottle. Because the bottle said, oh, actually, no. I didn't say that girl. I didn't buy no bottle. Because he sent a note. You know how you can put a note on the thing with the bottle? He put a note. I said, from his name to my name. I won't say his name and I won't say my name. Maybe I think I said my name before. Anyway, so my name doesn't even matter. But anyways, for him to me, and I was like, oh. And it was a bottle of Ciroc because I remember I had told him that is my favorite drink is Ciroc. So he sent us over a bottle of Ciroc. Mind you, we were 3 girls. That was me. Yeah, it was three girls. One full bottle of Ciroc. What, 2 hours? 3 Zimbabwean girls. 1 bottle of Ciroc. Who won? A bottle of Ciroc walks into a bar and sees 3 Zimbabwean girls. Who ends up walking out at the end of the night? The bottle of Ciroc or the 3 Zimbabwean girls? The 3 girls walked out because they dusted the fucking bottle of Ciroc. And then guess what? The 3 Zimbabwean girls paid for it the next day. I know. I was one of the 3 girls. And you always see your mistakes the next day, because the day after we're like, but why did we have to finish that bottle? We didn't have to finish it. And we finished it. Why? And we're like, know how funny that why is it always the next day when you're dusted and you're hungover and you regret everything? You're like, why did I have to? I didn't have to do that, but why did I do that? I didn't have to. It was no good to our head. Oh man, slow down. Let me give you something you can hold now. The pieces that I put spices on are so good. Whew. And the chili oil. That chili oil is good. The Hong Sheng chili oil. Yeah. Hong Sheng and Pai, they have the best chili oils in Toronto. Ooh. It's flavorful, bro. Oh my god. Let me try this. Let's see. That's actually really good. I always say that. That's actually really good. As if it's actually supposed to not be good. This is actually really good. It's good after you put your own spices on it. Maybe they just wanted it to be like that. But no, they have a food court, so they're expecting people to eat this. The way it was before I put spices on it, oh my god. I wanted to throw it out. JK. But when you put a little bit of your own seasoning, hot. So good. Holy, okay, actually 2 things. When I'm editing my videos and I notice how I eat, holy freaking hell. I eat like an animal. Like edit. So now sometimes I'm like, damn, how much do people edit their videos when they're doing their mukbang? Sorry, this is annoying. Yeah, what the hell is that? What a piece of rice. Sweet. Anyways, I'm like, how much do people edit their videos when they're doing their mukbangs? Because when I'm doing mine, I didn't think people edit it like that. And I don't even edit it to the capacity that other people edit theirs. I don't think. And I also think that over time, that you kind of learn to be like, oh, you know what? Let me eat like this. And let me, when you eat, that you're more like you take, your bites are, how do I say it? They're like, you act them. You're like, I don't know. I don't want to eat that. Like, that's how we eat. That's why when I see them, I'm like, what the hell? They're like, Wait. Some of them not. Obviously not everybody. What was the second thing I had to say? I forgot. I forgot. The second thing was the good thing. Not good thing, but like it was editing how I eat. Is it about the food? The rice, the pork, chili oil? No, I already said they were good. But I'm gonna shower. I don't remember. I need to be more interesting. Like, I need to be more lively. You know? Maybe I also need to watch more mukbangers. Oh my god, this is 30 minutes now. Okay, I am done. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and watching my food. I do go live sometimes, so you guys tune in if you can. It's always weird for now until I guess I get like a good amount of following, but can't wait to have some of you guys in there. I should also, I think, post. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, my hair feels so soft. It feels so soft up here. Oh my god. You think it... Did I just spit? You think it'd feel hard, you know? But it's actually really soft. It's actually so soft. It's like hard soft. Like you can tell like it's stuck, but it's so soft. I didn't put conditioner. I put oil. Because usually my hair feels hard right here, but it feels so soft. I'm just shocked. This is my little wig, mind you. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Catch you guys tomorrow. Hopefully I do thingy. I can't remember what I have to say, and that sucks, but I have a forgetful brain. Bye.